Today we're going to replace the clutch on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. Firstly, remove the spark plug cap during assembly to prevent an accidental start. Set your chain brake to lock into position. Untighten the two nuts. Then loosen the tension of the chain by turning the adjustable screw anti-clockwise. When the chain is slack, remove the two nuts to release the clutch cover. Wear appropriate PPE when removing the chain and the bar. Now you can access the clutch. Unwind the clutch clockwise until it is released. You can also remove the larger washer, clutch drum, then the smaller washer. Then return the washer, clutch drum and larger washer back. Place the new clutch into position and tighten in an anti-clockwise motion. You can additionally use pliers to make sure that the clutch is tight. Place the bar into position and the chain. When the chain is on, place the clutch cover back. Loosely secure the two nuts. Tighten the chain tension. Secure the two nuts. That's how you replace the clutch on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.